What can I say? How can I tell you how much I miss you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, weave 7 and 8, and touch, backside cross, touch, backside cross, step and cross, give it and cross, step and toe strut, jazz 4, 2 nightclubs, from the box, Charleston,
So it might as well rain until September.
weave, begin, captain, weave back, side together, cross, turn right, and side together, toe struts, jazz 4, nightclub, from the box, take the right, Charleston, toe strut, step half left, weave, begin.
It doesn't matter when the skies are gray blue.
Turn right,
It's raining in my
side, toe struts, jazz 4, 2 nightclubs, from the box, Charleston, it might as well, coaster, step, half turn, weave, right, last night. It might as well rain until toe struts, jazz, and face front, very nice. Now we're going to walk through the dance. It's called It Might As Well Rain Until September. 32 counts, 4 wall, high beginner, improver dance we can do with no tags or restarts. So section 1, tap your right toe, front, side, weave behind, side, cross. Tap your left to the side, behind, side, cross, side together. Section 2, cross, step, quarter, cross, step together, toe, heel, jazz with a cross. Third section, nightclub right, nightclub to the left, rumba box back, rumba box forward. Last section, kick, step, Charleston, coaster step, forward half left, weave front, side, behind, side. Now face front with the counts, section 1. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 2, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 3, 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 4, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Now when you get all the way around the room, doing the dance on all 4 walls, you return to your 12 o'clock wall for wall 5. Let's do wall 5 to show the ending. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 2, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and freeze. Face the front, make your quarter turn. After your nightclub, make a quarter turn and splay your arms out to the side, facing 12 o'clock for a nice finish. Thank you very much for watching.